Food waste is one of the biggest contributors to greenhouse gases. This idea to reduce food waste and use sustainable transportation was born out of the idea that I wanted to start an organization that didn't create more waste. Using bikes to do that seemed like a good idea. Right when I was coming up with the idea and starting Soil Cycle, the city was also working towards zero waste. We have a crisis, right, in our world, and people want to make change. People have good intentions. Approaching something like zero waste, it's a really overwhelming concept that almost seems unachievable. I do believe that individuals can make a difference, and it doesn't have to be something grandiose.
I live in a small place. It's a studio with my dog, and there's barely any room to have my food scrap bin and my recycling bin and my landfill bin. And having a place to come like Soil Cycle that is nearby and it's so welcoming, it makes the whole process so easy for me.
Everything we do is human powered. A lot of people think we're crazy. What a strain on your back, and it's so slow and it's not efficient, but I see it as an opportunity to get people's hands in the dirt. So much like you eat all year round, we pick up food scraps all year round. And in western Montana, that can mean a lot of inclement weather. It takes a lot of grit and a lot of perseverance, but I think that's what environmental change needs. So it comes down to empowerment and education. Composting workshops, outreach in schools, field trips. For me, volunteering and having people come actually build compost piles, turn compost piles, do all the things that are the human-powered aspects is one of the biggest educational components to utilize here. I like to think that our members are also empowered to be doing something that's easy for them but also sustainable for the earth.
I love being able to get my compost here at the end of the summer. It's been really, really great for me to have a place to not only bring my food scraps, but to continue to grow as a gardener, to be self-sufficient in how I produce my own food and take care of my food waste.
So I can get into the nitty-gritty and the chemistry behind what happens in a compost pile, and I'm happy to nerd out about that. But when it really comes to the mission of Soil Cycle, it is to change mindsets. Someday we will not be here as an organization, but if we can inspire individuals in the moment to reduce their waste and look at nature and their relationship with it, then our job has been done.